Ancient art captivates us. But what if some famous masterpieces are actually elaborate fakes? Forgery isn't new. Ancient people, driven by greed or power, practiced deception with astonishing skill. This hidden dark side of history reveals cunning minds. Ancient fraudsters sought wealth, influence, or fame. Detecting these ancient fakes is a complex, fascinating puzzle for scholars. Are you curious how they fooled experts? Ancient coins were prime targets for early counterfeiting. Their value made them irresistible to ancient fraudsters. Methods included debasing metal or casting false coins. Ancient people struggled with financial integrity. Counterfeit currency destabilized ancient economies and disrupted vital trade for civilizations. This shows ancient governments constantly battled fraud, reflecting timeless economic challenges for all people. Fake artifacts also flooded markets. Ancient temples, tombs, and bustling marketplaces were often targets. The motive. Ancient people sought prestige or quick profit from cleverly fabricated relics. For example, ancient sculptors replicated famous works, sometimes intentionally as convincing fakes for collectors. Detection methods were rudimentary. Ancient scholars used simple tests like weighing objects or checking textures. This means the struggle for authenticity dates back to the very dawn of ancient human civilization. Forged documents also held immense power. Ancient lives often rested on written words, easily manipulated. Ancient scribes sometimes daringly altered royal decrees or official records for political gain or influence. Even religious texts were forged. Such deceptions aim to legitimize new beliefs or ancient traditions for worshippers. Detection relied on careful analysis. Scholars examined handwriting, language style, and historical context of ancient writings. This reveals that critical thinking about sources is truly an ancient human intellectual skill refined over millennia. The ancient art market was thriving, yet largely unregulated. Demand for unique items created opportunities. Wealthy ancient collectors fiercely desired rare, exotic, or historically significant artifacts for their collections. This supply and demand created opportunities for ingenious ancient fraudsters to ply their deceptive trade. Ancient forgers used authentic materials and techniques available to their civilizations, making detection incredibly hard. Their skill was legendary. Some ancient fakes were so expertly made, they fooled seasoned experts for centuries. Today, cutting-edge science helps us definitively unmask ancient deception. The truth often lies hidden in plain sight. Technology like X-rays, chemical analysis, and carbon dating now reveal the true age and composition of ancient objects. This is forensic archaeology in action. Like a crime scene investigation for the ancient world's artifacts and people, the human story behind these forgeries is complex. Ancient fraudsters were cunning, reflecting timeless human flaws and desires. It teaches us that vigilance against deception is an ancient, ongoing battle for all people, a struggle that continues today. If you've watched to the end, we truly appreciate your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe to continue our ancient journey. See you next time.